In this video, I'm going to talk about addition, subtraction, multiplication of numbers in base 2. So what we have here is, we have examples that we should simplify the following. Like we have 1011 base 2 plus 1001 base 2. Like that. So how do we solve this problem? But we have to take note that when we want to add numbers in base 2, each of the digits are less than 2. If you look at all the digits, they are all less than 2. So for easy understanding, a binary number, 1 plus 1, we take it as 10. 1 plus 1, we take it as 10. And why is it 10? 1 plus 1 in number base 10 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 base 10. Normally in mathematics, 1 plus 1 is 2 in number base 10. Then in number base 2, you have to convert it to base 2. So you divide. 2 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. Then 1 cannot divide 2. You write 0, remainder 1. Then you draw an arrow up. 2 base 10 is now equal to 1, 0, which is 10 base 2. So that is why we say 1 plus 1, we just take it as 10 by memorizing it. 1 plus 1 is 10. Then the next 1 and 0 number, or next 1 and 1 number we'll see is 11. After 10, we have 11. That is why 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Then when you have 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Then 11 plus 1. The next 1 and 0 number we meet in our counting numbers is 100. And that is the binary number. So 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 100. So I'm going to use this method in our addition of binary numbers. So we start from this first one. 1 plus 1 is 10, according to what has been explained. 1 plus 1 is 10. We put down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1 is 10. So what you do is that you are going to put down 0, you carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 10, put down 0, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 10, plus 1, 11. So your answer is now 11,000 base 2. So that is the answer to this problem. Then the second one, we'll add these three numbers. 1 plus 1, 10, plus 1, 11. Put down 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1, give 10. Put down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 10, plus 1, 11, plus 1 will give you 100. So the answer to that problem is 10,001 base 2. Then the aspect of subtraction, in number base 10, if you are borrowing number, if you have 100 minus 7, 100 minus 7, this is number base 10. 0 cannot minus 7. You have to borrow from this, and this don't have. So what you do? You borrow from this, and here remains 0. And what you borrow is 10, which is in base 10. What you borrow is the base 10. And when you borrow from this 10, you have 9 left. And when you bring what you borrow to this place, you have 10. So 10 can minus 7, and that gives 3. Then 9 minus nothing, you have 9. So this calculation is for number base 10, which is normally used. This is normally used. But that of number base 2, instead of what you borrow should be 10, what you borrow will be 2. What you borrow will be 2. So this one will now be 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 cannot. You borrow from this, and this don't have. Then you borrow from this, and here remain 0. And what you borrow is what? The base, which is base 2. Then if this borrow from this one, here will remain what? Here will remain 1. Then here will be what? 2. So 2 can minus 1 times. Then here is 1 that is remaining. 1 minus nothing is 1. So for the subtraction, the answer will be 1,110 base 2. So that's how to do subtraction of number base 2. Then the next one is multiplication. Multiplication of number base 2 is very easy. Each of these digits each of these digits we multiply the upper number. 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0. So the answer you use for the multiplication of this and this will be on, we start from under this number you use to times. 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 1, we give 1. The same thing we are going to do with the last digit that we use to times. 1 times 0, the answer will start from this 1. 1 times 0 is 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. Then after you're done with your multiplication, you will now do what we call addition. And the addition applies to what you do in the addition of number base 2. So I'm going to apply it here. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 10 from the charts that I gave here, from this chart. 1 plus 1 is 10. So 1 plus 1, 10, put down 0, carry 1 to this side. Then this 1, you add it to this, it will now give what? 10. So your answer to the multiplication is 100,100 is 2. Then lastly, we are going to talk about this one that is 11 base 2 times 11 base 2. 1 times 1, the answer starts from here. 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1. Then after that, you will now do what we call addition. You add. Then when you add them, you have 1, 1 plus 1 is 10. Put down 0, carry 1. 1 plus this 1, give what? 10. So your answer to this multiplication is 1001 base 2. So with this, I'll be able to give an answer to this problem. Thank you.